The Samsung WW9000 washing machine is packed with top-of-the-line features that include Wi-Fi controlled capability, different programs for washing different types of clothes. With maximum spin at 1600 RMP, the Samsung WW9000 emits less noise and vibration due to its vibration reduction technology. How much is the Samsung WW9000 washing machine? The price of Samsung WW9000 is not yet available at this time. Now let's have a look at some of Samsung WW9000's main positive aspects. The capability to be controlled using an Android and iOS smartphone is something that's pretty advanced and unique compared to others. The Samsung WW9000 has wide options for spin speed and quick wash. Here's our conclusion. For people who love to multitask while doing their laundry, the Samsung WW9000 is something that's definitely worth a try. Thanks for checking out our review. To know more about this product, click on the link below this video now.